Here we have a beautiful 1967 Chevy Corvette. Just came in. One of the best color combinations out there. Original Code 900 black on red leather interior. This is a matching numbers car, matching numbers 327. What makes it special is it's loaded. Power steering, power brakes, power windows, headrest bucket seats. All matching numbers, factory ice cold air conditioning, red line tires, knockoff side pipes, everything you want in a 67 mid-year Corvette is right here. Restored about 10 years ago, held up really nice. It was driven over the years, so it's not a #1 show car, but I gotta tell you, it's beautiful. You can see the quality, the paint is nice, all the lines are real nice. Just a very nice car, in and out. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. What a beautiful car.